Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So we will be discussing this question that was part of 13th April 2024 IELTS exam in India. As well as this question can be repeated in my neighboring country as well as in another part of the world. Okay, let's discuss. You can see these 4 graphs are there. This may be the complicated bar graph. Okay, let's discuss one by one every step. So yes, here they have given 4 graphs, and before that let's read the question statement, then we will continue. The graphs below show 4 categories of citrus fruits and the top 3 countries to which these were imported in 1000 tons in 2012. So this is confirmed, this is past tense. Okay, and here they have given top 3 countries. So here in every graph we can see top 3 countries. And citrus fruits, they are talking oranges, lemons, grapefruits and others are there. So I am reading and analyzing the question statement along with the these graphs. Okay, I can see 4 categories and only 1 year is there, and everywhere, and definitely they have told us statistical data in 1000 tons. Okay, so let's analyze the bar graph. So here oranges, South Africa was the largest importer here, and United States and Egypt were after that. Okay, here Mexico imported largest lemons and grapefruit. Turkey was the number 1 in importing grapefruits, and here Mexico. So Mexico twice a time it was on number 1. So this is also another striking point here in this bar graph. Mexico, and I can see United States everywhere, but anywhere this United States was not at number 1. It means US citizens are fond of eating juicy fruits like these citrus fruits, but yeah, they are equally giving importance to everything. But yes, they are giving importance more to grapefruits and these oranges. Now we have analyzed the bar graph. Okay, so if you want to write here number one, it can be seen, no need to write this, but here US present in 4 graphs, you can write roughly here, and Mexico number 1 position, or the largest importer in these 2 categories. Let's write introduction. So introduction means here, so okay, format, yes, so 4 paragraphs or 3 paragraphs you can make it. First will be introduction, second will be overall. So this is optional at the second number, you can write this overall paragraph at the end, last paragraph also. Then is body detail, paragraph number 1, body detail paragraph number 2 and 3 you can make it, and minimum word limit is 150 words, but your writing can go up to, there is no fixed limit for maximum actually, but if you write like 400-500 words, then nobody will be reading your this thing, so it will be too lengthy. So keep it short, within 180 or 200 words I am suggesting you. Okay, but not 150 only words, because if some spelling mistake is there, then they will cut that spelling from your total limit. It's all up to you. Let's do this introduction. Introduction means paraphrasing of question statement. Now see this, my first introduction paragraph, the given horizontal bar graph. So this is horizontal bar graph. If the bar graph is like that, I will show it to you. If it is like that, this is vertical bar graph. Now it is horizontal bar graph. Okay, the given horizontal bar graph, because 4 bar graphs are there, na? Bar graphs provide comparison. So here show, instead of show we have written provide comparison between 4 citrus fruits. Now you can name here lemon, grapefruits, whatever the sequence they have given, oranges, lemon, grapefruits and others. You can, so I have not written, but you can write it in brackets, which were imported by top 3 importers in top 3 importers in 2012. Importers means these countries they are talking. The statistical data is represented in 1000 tons. Okay, it is given like that. So I have paraphrased from here to here. This is my introduction. Now overall paragraph. Overall what we have seen, US is present everywhere, and Mexico imported Mexico was the largest importer at 2 places, 2 bar graphs. Yes, this we will write here. Now see this. Overall it can be seen that South Africa was the largest importer of orange fruit. So this South Africa, while Turkey ranked first position. Turkey ranked first position in grapefruits. In case of grapes imports. Another striking point in the graphs, Mexico was present. So I have cut it down. Was present on 3 charts which had imported maximum lemons and other fruits. So here he was present here also. Okay, so next is, although the United States imported all 4 categories of fruits but in less quantity as compared to other countries. Okay, now body detail paragraph. How we can write body detail paragraph? Here there are 4 categories. Either you go category wise, either you go country wise. So how you present your details, this is all up to you, and always use different words for vocabulary or like use good vocabulary relating to where it is increasing, where it is decreasing, and all. This is all vocabulary only, and giving exact data information. Here all figures will come. Okay, so how I have presented myself, let's read it. Analyzing the quantity of juicy fruits or natural, you can write anything if you want. And analyzing the quantity of oranges was higher than the other citrus fruits data, and its maximum quantity was ordered by South Africa with over 10,000, 1 lakh tons. See this, I will just show it to like you see this. We are talking about this oranges. Okay, so citrus fruits data, and its maximum quantity was ordered by South Africa with over 1 lakh. No, it is not 1 lakh. Okay. Here they have given thousands, no? That's why 1000 tons is given. That's why I have written 1 lakh. Or you can write here 1000 only. Then you have to write 1000 tons. Okay, Turkey. No, wait, where is Turkey? Turkey is, sorry, just a minute, I have to, Egypt, this is Egypt, this is not Turkey, sorry. This the mistake, you can find it, this kind of mistake while doing rechecking your essay. So I have corrected. Egypt imported half oranges quantity from South Africa, imported oranges. So you can write, whereas Egypt imported half oranges quantity as compared to or less than South Africa's imported oranges. Write this because we want to compare, and we want to compare between countries also. So here we have written Egypt imported half of orange quantities that was ordered by South Africa. Okay, next, moreover in the US, now I have combined the US from all bar graphs. See this, now I will be talking about US but taking data from all categories. Moreover in the US, citizens liked all 4 juicy fruits for their healthy lifestyles. It imported oranges roughly 400,000 tons. See this, 400, so less than 500 it is given, so I have just assumed 400 roughly, that's why I have written roughly 400,000 tons. And lemon, grape. Now first I have given this information, now I am combining these 3 information about US. lemon, grapefruits and other fruits. Lemons, it is lemons, and other fruits were imported at 200 and approximately 50,000 tons respectively. I have written. That's more important to write. So how I have given details? First I have talked about the highest one, and then I have combined US country information. Now for next one, furthermore the figures for lemons. Now I am talking about this lemons also. Okay. Furthermore, the figures for lemons depicted Mexico with maximum 500,000 tons and Argentina at least number 2 import outside fruits at around 100,000 tons. See this, Argentina. Now I have not written about others. You can write the information about others also. I have finished my this. You can write about this others also. Then one more sentence will be there. So see this, how I have done it. So this is my full essay, full writing task 1.